Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be playing Off-Road Outlaws. Sorry about that yawn. Kind of tired a little bit. But this truck's kind of squatted a little bit. You could tell this one is. I got this. That one. Trailer. That. Kind of like for duck hunting. Got that. I'm yawning so much. So I got a drag car, boat trailer, 4th of July boat, 4-wheeler, yeah. So today, I'm thinking about selling this one. And I don't know what I'm gonna buy. My nose kind of runny. Let's see what we can buy first. I think I might buy, this one. Okay, so let's sell this truck. Come by, where was it? I think it was this one I said. Oh no, you have to be a member to get this. Oh, you don't? Whatever. Well, I think it was this one. So let's buy this one. No. Steps, no. Yeah, light bars. Cause this is gonna be a hunting truck. But should I put that up there? No, I ain't gonna put that. Yeah, I'll put it. You don't never know we might need. No, I ain't gonna put no winch on there. Exhaust. No. Yes. Lights. Yep. Gun rack. Yes, it's gonna be a hunting truck. Gas. Toolbox. Yes. Tint the windows a little bit. Yeah, that's about right. Y'all know like them trucks like these when it's kind of like brown? That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, rims. I think on them trucks they have rims like these ones. Let me see what they got before I buy it. These ones right here would probably be our best option. Yeah, these right here would probably be our best option. I think it was these. Kind of put it, kind of like, nah, just leave it plain. Beads, I want them black. Yeah, it looks good so far. So since it's gonna be a hunting truck, are this ones ain't good in the mud. They're really good for rocks, and they're kind of good for mud, but not really. These ones, but they just look weird. I could do that one. I'm trying to get ones that's good in mud and actually look good. So probably my best option would be these, but they don't really look like. Yeah, we'll get these, even though they're not really that good for mud, but it'll be alright. Where's this? Oh, I guess you gotta have dualies for that. Okay. Wraps. No, we don't need that. Decals. Animals. You think that would look cool? Put a deer horn in the back. I won't put it too big and too. It looks, I think that's kind of, nah. How about this? They put this one on the side. Oh, let me see something real quick. And put the hog on the other side. I ain't gonna put the hog. What about the fish? Yeah, it looks fine. I mean, it don't look the best, but nah, I'm just gonna take it off. Brand logos? Got anything on here? Nah. Custom? Nah, I ain't gonna do none. So, it should be fun. If I had dog boxes in the game, I'd put a dog box. That's one thing I wish they put in the game. Off-Road Outlaws, if y'all seen my video, can y'all put dog boxes in the game? So, it's 28,000. I have 16,000. Go ahead and I shouldn't probably max it out, but it'll be fine. That's why they have boxes, because you can go about 1, 2. What about 1, 3? How big is 1? Yeah, it's too big. Maybe about right there. Looks squat. Yeah, it's good now. Tire. Put it a little wide. Put it at 1, 1. 1, 1. I want to spread them out a little bit. You think it's too wide? Yeah, I'm gonna do 1, 1. Yeah, it looks good. So now, gotta go get some money. There's a few places I know where there's boxes is on Woodland. So I gotta go right here. Do the whole 360. Get this box. Y'all can take my locations too if y'all want to. So you got that one. I don't know why I'm yawning so much, but I'm not tired. And come up here. You come over here. Whee! You come right here. Or you can drive across the rocks. But there's sometimes a box right here. And there's right here. Sometimes I do the trail, but sometimes I don't. So yeah. And I usually reset it. And then I come up here where that trail starts. You come up here. And where the trail comes through here. Come through here and then come up on the hill. And sometimes there's a box right here, but there's not. Then I reset again. And then I come over here where the trail ends at. And see that box over there? And that's where it should be at. And then I come up out of here. Oh my god, ads exist. I don't like ads. No one cares about that. And then I usually come to the desert. Well, if you have it unlocked, you can. And I come right here. Sometimes there's a box right here. And then I come right here. Sometimes there's a box over here. And sometimes there's a box over there. But I go collect them if there's there. And then I come over here. And then I jump this right here. Well, I just jump it for fun, but you ain't got to. And sometimes there's a box right here over that sand hill. Sometimes there's a box over here, and then I come over here. I ain't found one box yet. But sometimes I come right here, sometimes one right there, and sometimes one right here, which is not. Then I reset again. I come over here, go to the left, and then there's sometimes a box right here. Why ain't there no boxes here? And there's some boxes supposed to be out here, but there's not, I guess, for some reason. Guess Off-Road Outlaws don't want me to have money. I've only found one box. Then you jump across this hill. There's sometimes a box out here. And you know where that one car is over this hill? I usually come over here and go up this hill. Whoa. And I come over here, go on top of this hill. And sometimes there might be a box here, but sometimes there's a box right here on the edge. Why ain't there no boxes? And if there's a car up there if y'all want to go get it, but I already have it. Then you come over here. Don't go in the mud. Yeah, whatever. It'll be fine. Or once you get out of the mud, you come over here. Come across this. Come across this again. And sometimes there shouldn't be a box. It's rare to find a box right here, but there's boxes right here sometimes. Then I come over here. Go across this thingamajigger. Then you come over here. You go across this hill, and sometimes there's a box in that water. But I guess they had an update where every time you drive in the water, it does a wheelie for some reason. So yeah. I don't want to drive in the water too deep. And then you come out here. And sometimes there's a box right here at this hill. And I usually like jump right here. Sometimes there's a box to my left and sometimes to my right. But for some reason, Off-Road Outlaws don't want me to have money. So, this one. Okay, I already did this one. How much did I do the front? And we maxed out that. So we maxed out that. Axle width. I ain't gonna do it too far. I'm gonna put it at 1. Yeah, I'm put it at 1. Damping. Travel. Yeah, we're just gonna lift this up. We ain't gonna do the travel. And axle. How much was it for front? 1. That. It don't matter about the shock size and stuff. You can just do it if you want to. And that should be good. I'm not gonna dyno run it because I ain't tuned it yet. So. Do that. You can do NOS if you want to, but I ain't doing it. Durability. Gotta go get some more money. How much money do I have in my shotgun? 46. What is this? Map maker? What? Hey, whatever. Toon yard? Oh. My bad, I got lost. Hey, whatever. So, come see if I can get some more money again. You already seen my location, so I ain't gotta tell y'all again. Come over here. Wee. I'm thinking about when I get done building this truck, I'm thinking about getting a new four-wheeler, like a wheelie four-wheeler or something, because this one's like a hunting four-wheeler. So yeah. I'm steering crazy. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, here's the box here. There's sometimes a box right here. And sometimes there's not a box here all the time, but most of the time there is. Come back up here. Skirt. Skirt. I mean, there's not a box up here all the time. You barely find it, but it ain't up there all the time. Sometimes I get lucky and sometimes I don't. And sometimes there's not a box there either. See, look, there's not a box there.
Open.
Oh gosh. Okay, so we did that. Go to the desert now. We'll go ahead and get these boxes. Of course, it's gotta be a part instead of money. I don't need a part. I care about money right now. I don't care about parts. I want money, not parts. There's none right there. Come on, flip back over. Is there any more boxes out here? Okay, whatever. So we come back over here. Okay, there's no box here, no box there. What's this thing doing? Trying to flip me over. Well, his neck's broke. Imagine they made the game realistic. That'd be cool. Skirt. I don't know if y'all play Off-Road Outlaws, but they had an update where you can have a horn. Yep, see there's a box right here sometimes. Okay, there's no boxes here. There used to be a box that spawned right here, but over here these rocks, but they don't spawn no more. For some reason. Whee! See there, sometimes there's boxes out here. And watch the other one over there be a part instead of money. I don't want money. I'm surprised it ain't a part. I figured it'd be a part instead of money. Wee. Ooh. And next time I go fishing, I'm gonna try to make a fishing video. Is there a box here? Oh, wee. Well, he just went into the ground and broke every bone in his body. So, how was he alive? Wee. Don't go in the mud. No. Okay, I'm getting ready to end the video in just a second after I get done with this. And for y'all that go to school, hope y'all been having a good summer. Mine really did nothing all summer. We were supposed to go to the beach this weekend, but we had that hurricane. So, yeah. And I hope y'all like me playing my guitar. I just started learning it. I ain't that good. I mean, I know a couple stuff, but I ain't that good. I've been wanting to do it for about, maybe, I think since Easter time. So I ain't been doing it that long. But I hope y'all like my guitar.
And Mr.
Durability. Now it's just this that I need to take care of. This can wait. I might do it. I'll go not in the video because I don't want it to be too long. So yeah, y'all like, subscribe, and I might try to film a video tomorrow about something. So yeah, like, subscribe, and bye.